Santay Barley International. Anong solusyon? The solution is barley grass. According to Dr. Yoshide Hagiwara, doctor, scientist, inventor, pharmacologist, and entrepreneur, the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. Ibig sabihin, mula pagkabata hanggang pagtanda ay pwedeng gumamit ng product na ito. Tinatawag din itong a total complete food dahil recognize ito ng science as the most nutritious of all plant foods, containing a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes plus chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our body requires for the proper functioning of organs and immune system. These the micronutrients found in barley leaves, minerals, vitamins, enzymes, amino acid. The barley is the superfood. Pagkain lang ito kung tawagin. Ang galing ng Santay Barley, hindi ba? Kaya naman, we launch our program for you. Ang isang programa na makakatulong sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. The Can Be Program. What is Can Be Program? Cleanse and nourish with barley. It's a 30 days program that helps your body cleanse and nourish. Detoxification procedure by taking pure barley powder juice, 10 sachet, and barley pure 60 capsule. And for only 1,550 pesos. Enjoy the much practical and natural way in achieving optimum health and wellness. And how does it work? From day 1 to 10, cleanse your body by taking 1 sachet of powdered juice. Mix it in a glass of cool water. And then, nourish your body by taking 3 capsules of barley pure from day 11 to 30. Simple lang, di ba? Very effective at very natural pa. This program will help high blood, constipation, hypertension, stress, migraine, asthma, diabetes, arthritis, ulcer, cancer at iba pang mga sakit. Ngayon na nakita mo na ang video na ito na makakatulong sa'yo, i-grab mo na ang opportunity na to at gawing healthy ang pamilya mo. How to order? Just contact the number below, call or text, and we deliver here nationwide. Kahit nasaan ka man sulok ng mundo or nasaan ka man ngayon, ay pwede ka naming deliveran. And thank you for watching this video. And I hope na nakatulong sa iyo na malaki ang video na to, lalong-lalo na nagkaroon ka ng kaalaman tungkol sa kalusugan. If you or anybody you know that need this opportunity, just give this video para makatulong din sa kanila at sa pamilya nila. Pwede nyong i-type www.webhope2014.blogspot.com. Pwede kayo dun mag-comment at mag-like para yung mga tanong nyo ay masagot ko. Again, my name is Leslie Calya and I'm on grass.